Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everyone. This is me, Alia Jaber from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today I'm going to complete for grade 5, unit 8, what I like doing and why. This is our lesson for today, period 7 and period 8. In period 7, we're going to answer 3 questions. Read and complete the sentences, think and complete the sentences, and the last one, write correct questions. And in period 8, we're going to complete the sentences. Ready? Let's go. Let's start with the first question. Read and complete the sentences. Here in the box, we have some words. I want you to read the incomplete sentences and complete them with correct words from the box. Before you start, let's read the words in the box together. Interesting, answer, exciting, give, or idea. Now please read the incomplete sentences and complete them with the correct words. Finish? Good. Now let's read it together. It makes your, what's this? Yes, heart go fast. We call it roller coaster, feels exciting. 2, you can see lots of things. It's very interesting. I can, your question. I can what? Answer your question. If you ask me a question, I can answer it. Sentence 4. Can you give me an ice cream, please? 5. Which shoes would you like? The brown or the black? That's a good idea. Good. Now please check your answers. Now let's do question 2. Think and complete the sentences. Here we have 4 incomplete sentences. 2 of them about Khalid and Nader and 2 of them about who, Huda and yes, Nabila. We have Huda from H, Nabila with N. Now try to answer them. Start now. Let's read the sentences. 1. Khalid is taller than Nader. This is Khalid and this is Nader. So Khalid is taller than Nader. Nabila is faster than Huda. Nader is shorter than Khalid. Huda is slower than Nabila. So in the first sentence, we compare between Khalid and Nader. And if you look at the picture, you can see that Khalid is taller. The second one, Nabila and Huda. Look at Nabila. She's running faster than Huda. The third picture, Nader is shorter than, yes, Khalid. And the last one, if you look at Huda, she's the second. So Huda is slower than Nabila. Check your answers. Before answering the second one, let's revise something. Punctuation marks. The first thing is capitals. Where do we use capitals? At the start of a question. The second one is question mark. Can you see the question mark? Yes. Now, where can you use the question mark? At the end of a question. The third one is or. We use or when listing more than one item. So, in the second question, you are going to use these 3 things. Capitals, question mark, and or. This is the question. Write correct questions. Rania said, which is more interesting, watching cartoons or sports? Which is faster, swimming or running? This is how we use the question word which and or. Don't forget the capital letter at the beginning of the sentence or the question mark at the end. Now, if you look at her question, at the start she started with which, W capital. Then she used or because we have two items here, cartoons and sports. At the end she used question mark. This is what are you going to do here. First, reorder or rearrange the question. Then start with capital, use or, and at the end what? Yes, at the end you have to use question mark. Ready? Do it. Have you finished? You are really excellent. Now let's answer them together. Question 1. Which is or apples more expensive fish? You will start with which is more expensive, fish or apples? Don't forget, start W capital, use or between the items, and at the end question mark. 2. Which is watching TV or films more exciting? The correct order is which is more exciting, watching TV or films? Start with capital, use or, and at the end question mark. 3. Windy weather, which is worse, snowy or? The correct order is which is worse, snowy or windy weather? Start with capital, use or, and at the end question mark. Please check your answers before going to the last question. This is the last question for today. Complete the sentences, check your spelling. I want you to read 6 incomplete sentences and complete them with the correct words. The pictures can help you to find the answer. Ready? You can start now. Finish? Good. Now let's answer it together. Sentence number 1. Watching a film like this film is exciting. 2. I think insects, because this is a book of insects. I think insects are interesting. 3. We have question. Look here. You ask a question. And if you ask a question and I can answer. So you ask and I answer. 4. Skating is healthy. Yes, skating is healthy. Doing sports is healthy. 5. It's about swimming. I am getting better at swimming. I want to be the best. 6. Snowy weather is the worst. Good. Now, please check your answers and check your spelling. Our lesson for today is finished and Unit 8 is finished. I hope you understood everything. Thanks for listening. See you soon. Goodbye.